Yun guys, so we're going on na. Paulit na ta guys, ikag simbahan. So saan na po, standby. So we're going home, so that is the pathway over here. We're going there and we're going to all the way up there. So that is the way. We're going to the highway and that's all. So yeah, stand by. Kiblat.
Makasakay kong lakati. Kasi ano ni GR. Pangulit.
Okay. We're going to take a trike.
Hindi na yan mapatuga. Super. Pagkaya ito ma, ano? Signal na gani ang buwan mo, tutut yun siya.
Padapit lang.
Pagkita mo.
Nadi din puto, balik gusto. Ay, paano yun?
So, pag pulis balay, padisgrasya rin.
We have a traffic guys, traffic. The reason is there have a road work. Mo na yung reason nga dagag traffic. Wapa na fix. Slow kayo ang pag-fix diri sa area namo. Guys, perting traffic ka.
Luya-luya na.
Magkadam na sa kumbahan na. Kauna. Bukan na magkadam.
Thank you very much, Uncle. Thank you. Okay guys, yan na, complete na to ang mission. Yan. So, kana. So, pawis ako diri sa few minutes. Balilaan lula kay iga kayo. Naglakaw ko ganiha guys. So, karon isuliton sa natong time. Going to relax and we're going to my auntie. Yan. Standby. Thank you. And by the way, thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. Thank you.